Welcome back to Funimation 3D Kids and Family Cartoon, where fun and learning come together in the most exciting adventures. Today, we're going on a magical journey inside the human body to explore one of the most important parts, the heart. How does the heart pump blood? What's the secret behind the way our body stays alive and healthy? Get ready, because we're about to find out in the most fun and colorful way possible. Our adventure begins in Heartland City, a beautiful, glowing city inside the human body. The buildings here are shaped like blood vessels, and the streets are lined with flowing, sparkling blood cells. The air smells fresh and warm, filled with tiny oxygen bubbles. The sun, which represents the heart, shines brightly in the sky, sending energy to all the busy blood cells that live and work in the city. In the middle of Heartland City is the heart, a large, friendly, red and pink character who works tirelessly, making sure that the blood flows smoothly throughout the body. The heart is smiling and humming to itself as it pumps away, sending blood in and out like a magical rhythm. Meet our hero, Kora the red blood cell. Kora is a small, round red character with a cheerful face. She loves to travel through the body, delivering oxygen to all the organs and tissues. Hi, I'm Kora, she waves, her tiny arms moving excitedly. I'm part of a team of red blood cells that work with the heart to keep your body healthy and strong. Today, I'm going to show you how the heart pumps blood all around the body. As Kora floats along the vibrant, animated blood vessels, the narrator explains, the heart is like a powerful pump that moves blood throughout the body. It's made of muscle tissue, and it beats about 100,000 times a day. That's a lot of work to keep the body going, don't you think? Kora nods and points toward the right atrium of the heart, where blood enters. This is where my journey begins, she explains. I'm one of the many red blood cells that flow through the veins and arteries to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your body. But first, I need to travel through the heart to get to my destinations. With a pop of colorful animation, Kora enters the right atrium, and we see tiny red blood cells bouncing around excitedly. The right atrium fills with blood, which is low in oxygen after delivering oxygen to the body's cells. Kora and her fellow red blood cells are eager to get oxygen from the lungs. Let's get ready to move, Kora says. As the narrator explains, the heart beats. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right atrium receives the oxygen-poor blood and sends it to the right ventricle, which then pumps it to the lungs to get more oxygen. Suddenly, the right ventricle contracts, pushing the blood out through the pulmonary artery, and Kora floats along as the blood travels to the lungs. Here we are! The lungs! Kora exclaims. This is where the magic happens. We pick up oxygen from the air we breathe, and I get a fresh, oxygen-filled load to carry back to the body. We watch in magical animation as Kora and the red blood cells float through the lungs' tiny air sacs called alveoli, where they exchange carbon dioxide for fresh oxygen. Now I'm filled with oxygen, Kora says with a smile as she gets ready to travel back to the heart. Time to head back and deliver it all over the body. With another powerful heartbeat, Kora and the other blood cells return to the left atrium of the heart, where the oxygen-rich blood flows in. Here we go, Kora says as the heart pumps again. The left ventricle pushes the blood out through the aorta, the body's largest artery. Kora and her friends travel through the aorta, flowing to all parts of the body, the brain, muscles, organs, and even the toes. As Kora travels through the body, she stops at various organs, where she delivers the oxygen the body needs. She smiles as she sees the muscles moving, the brain thinking, and the organs working hard. Without oxygen, Kora explains, the body wouldn't be able to do anything. We need oxygen to think, to move, to stay alive. After delivering the oxygen, Kora collects carbon dioxide, a waste product, and begins her journey back to the heart. It's time to go back to the heart and start the journey all over again, Kora says excitedly. Back in the heart, we see the right atrium ready to take the oxygen-poor blood again. Kora and the other blood cells continue the cycle, each time picking up oxygen and delivering it throughout the body. As the journey continues, the camera zooms out to show a full-body diagram, with bright animated lines showing the paths of blood as it flows in and out of the heart, to the lungs, and throughout the body. The narrator adds, "The heart keeps pumping, and the blood keeps flowing, delivering oxygen and nutrients to keep the body working. Without the heart, we wouldn't have the energy to do anything. It's like the engine of a car." The camera pans to show Kora happily floating back to the heart, tired but proud of all the work she's done. "I'm part of something so important," she says with a smile. "I help deliver the oxygen the body needs to stay strong and healthy." As Kora and the other red blood cells take their rest, the camera zooms out to show the entire human body, healthy, strong, and full of energy thanks to the heart's hard work. With the soft, magical music playing in the background, the narrator concludes, "And that's how the heart works to pump blood, delivering oxygen to all parts of the body, keeping us alive and full of energy." As the animation fades out, the Funimation 3D Kids and Family cartoon logo appears, and the narrator says, "Thanks for joining us on this amazing adventure inside the human body. We hope you enjoyed learning how the heart pumps blood." Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Funimation 3D Kids and Family Cartoon for more fun, magical, and educational cartoons. See you next time!